We will present UI, functional and security test cases for login functionality. Now, without further delay, let's begin with the sample UI test cases of the login page. UI test scenarios for login page: verify that all the labels and controls including text boxes, buttons, and links are present on the login page. Verify that the font type and size of the labels and the text written on the different elements should be clearly visible. Verify that the size, color, and UI of the different elements are as per the specifications. Verify that the application's UI is responsive, i.e. it should adjust to different screen resolutions and devices. Functional test scenarios for login page. Verify that as soon as the login page opens, by default the cursor should remain on the username text box. Verify that the user is able to navigate or access the different controls by pressing the tab key on the keyboard. Verify that the password is in masked form when entered. Verify if the password can be copy-pasted or not. Verify that the user is able to log in by entering valid credentials and clicking on the login button. Verify that the user is able to log in by entering valid credentials and pressing enter key. Verify that the user is not able to log in with an invalid username and password. Verify that the validation message gets displayed in case the user leaves the username or password field as blank. Verify that the validation message is displayed in the case the user exceeds the character limit of the username and password fields. Verify that reset button functionality on the login page. Clicking on it should clear the text box's content. Verify if there is a checkbox with the label remember password on the login page. Verify that closing the browser should not log out an authenticated user. Launching the application should lead the user to login state only. Security test scenarios. Verify that there is a limit on the total number of unsuccessful login attempts, so that a user cannot use a brute force mechanism to try all possible combinations of username password. Verify that in case of incorrect credentials, a message like incorrect username or password should get displayed instead of an exact message pointing to the incorrect field. This is because a message like incorrect password will help a hacker in knowing that the username is correct and he just needs to try a different combination on the password field only. Verify the login session timeout duration, so that once logged in a user cannot be authenticated for a lifetime. Verify that once logged in, clicking the back button doesn't log out the user. Verify if SQL injection attacks work on the login page. Verify if XSS vulnerability works on the